Yeah, Elasticsearch is a search engine based on Lucene library. It provides a distributed multi-tenant capable of full-text search engine with a HTTP web interface and schemaless JSON documents. So it's developed in Java, which is more helpful for a lot of non-data engineers as well to use it. Think of it like an open source Google search engine. So there are various features I would say which is important when it comes to Elasticsearch. So the first one is the clustering and high availability. It always makes it works on a cluster model and makes sure the clusters and the master nodes are highly available. And if there is a risk of availability of these nodes, it makes sure that the nodes are replaced, which is called automatic node recovery. And there's something called automatic data balancing, which will help you rebalance your data across the nodes whenever, even if you are not storing it in the most optimal way. And it helps you scale the nodes horizontally. And there's something called rack awareness, which knows that this is a place where your data to the level of index is stored. Cross cluster replication, cross data center replication, and index lifecycle management. All these are very peculiar and important features that I see with Elasticsearch. Also, the data rollups, the source only snapshots, the transform ability, the upgraded assistant APIs, the REST API key management. All these are really helpful when it comes to real-time querying and real-time searching on a text level. Elasticsearch is really good for searching one table, one simple form of structure with a huge number of rows. However, Elasticsearch is not so perfect for relational data. For that, you have to stick to the conventional database system. In real-time application, you don't have to move from database to Elasticsearch just because of that, but instead you have to divide your application logic between database and Elasticsearch. You need to have segregate your data set. Okay, this is the data set I'm going to store with databases, and this is the data set that I'm going to store with Elasticsearch. So you will always need a relational database which offers ACID compliance, and Elasticsearch will offer faster search over one form of the structured data, which is JSON in most of the cases.